Hey guys, this is the channel of Random Minecraft Stuff and More, back with another ceiling fan video. I present to you Hunter Spectrum ceiling fan, and it's currently installed in my bedroom right now, and I'm going to show you on its remote control speeds. So this is the remote control I bought off of Amazon, and it's got all the lovely features and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna test it on its remote speeds. I already tested it on its factory speeds on my test rig. Okay, sorry about that. So just making sure that my door is locked. But yeah, here we go for the demonstration. When I flip the switch, the light comes on. Alright, I'm gonna start with low speed. You already know the receiver of the remote beeps. I had the black side of the blades facing down. Because, you know, I just want to look nice. Oh, the background you're hearing is the ticking of my Disney video cassette Mickey Mouse quartz clock, which I've had my whole life. Alright, we are ready to put this ceiling fan to medium. Feel some air from it. Oh, the light right over here next to my dresser is a floor lamp. Because halogens use too much electricity, I decided to have a temporary floor lamp in here until my dad gets me halogen bulb alternatives, LED ones, from Walmart next time he goes there. But yeah, it's currently moving some air. I'm gonna put it on high speed. Yes. It's blowing my Kittens calendar, Kittens 2020 calendar, my Minecraft 2019 calendar, and it's blowing my Simpsons poster, and my Chinese lantern above the light switch, and some of my artwork. Like all the ceiling fans I've had in here. Let's get a close-up of it. Oh my gosh, it's actually blew a good amount of air. And it's super silent, in my opinion. So yeah, all hail the ceiling fan. Oh yeah, if it did wobble, it'll only wobble a little bit, but currently I don't see any wobble right now. There's my Simpsons poster right there. I've had it for a couple of years. Still looking cool. Alright, step up on my bed. Real nice fan, to be honest. Here's a light. Hi. Put this back on the microphone stand. There we go. Perfect. Alright. Now we'll shut everything off. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. The channel Random Minecraft Stuff and More, out.